Definitely cold enough for a little bit of snow in parts of the Hudson Valley right now. Want to talk about that in a second. Want to share some model guidance because we're talking about how things will improve. Watch what happens during the course of the day today. The wind is going to fill in. So as you head off to work and school, remember, wind is not going to ease that much. Now, we did have some 60-mile-an-hour gusts overnight, so that's an improvement, but it's still windy. Now, after school, it's a little bit better. Going to a movie or a big Broadway show tonight, it's going to feel a little bit better for your Friday night. The problem is this diurnal dynamic that will bring in more wind Saturday. It's still blustery Saturday. As of right now, the wind advisory is going to expire at 4, but parts of your Saturday will be equally as challenging as far as overall wind. Now, with less traffic, that does help to minimize some of the impact. And then ultimately, Sunday morning, I know Sunday morning's important. You still have winds at maybe 10 to 15, but that's half of what we're dealing with. So there is going to be gradual improvement during the course of the weekend. Now, let's talk about some of our weather watchers in parts of the Hudson Valley. There is a little bit of snow right now. There's one little hiccup I want to share and show riding out of the Ohio Valley. Not so much today, but overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Don't be freaked out if you see a flake or two, and then that will clear out, and we see a chilly weekend, but by next week, we are going to see some nice warm numbers, something to look forward to. So I just got this text from Robert Sinclair from the 888. Next Friday, not this Friday, but next Friday, they're doing a tire pressure check in Belmore. Thank you, Robert Sinclair, for all you do at the AAA. And remember, you might be getting another little indicator because it's cold, the tire pressure goes down. But once we get warmer air in place, let's get the tire pressure ready for some more road trips.
All right, yeah, good advice.
Good advice, John. And always have a couple of spares. I like to have 2 or 3 spares in the back. Just
Good luck. Some cars don't even have spares
I know,
anymore.
right.